Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let us learn how to generate random numbers in Excel. In case if you wanted to do any kind of sample data analysis and sample calculation, you can generate random numbers in Excel and use this generated random numbers to work on your demo project. To generate random numbers in Excel, there is a formula which is called RANDBETWEEN. I need to use equals RANDBETWEEN and open the bracket and enter 200, 1000 to generate random numbers. 200 will be the lower limit and 1000 will be the upper limit. So the random numbers generated will be between 200 and 1000. So between 200 to 1000, the random numbers will be generated. Click on enter to generate the random numbers. So once again, RANDBETWEEN is a function what we are using, and 200 is the lower limit and 1000 is the upper limit. Click on enter. So click on enter, the random numbers generated is 680. To copy the same function across multiple cells, I will just drag the formula and copy the formula across multiple cells. Select the area to copy the function, and these random numbers will be generated automatically onto the remaining blank cells. Now you can do some kind of calculation on top of this.